Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I have got an unbagging for you today. So, before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. And thank you to all my new subscribers for joining, and I hope y'all are enjoying the videos. And just leave me a comment. Let me know if there's anything you would like to see, like to know, whatever. And I will try to get you answered. Alright, so this comes from Diamond Painting Hut. Okay? Now, I have no idea what's in here because all they asked was what I liked. Like, you know, animals, flowers, you know, what kind of canvas do I enjoy working on. So I gave them, you know, 4 or 5 subjects, and they just picked something and sent it to me. But I had to open it because I wasn't exactly sure what it was. But it came packaged in this, very tightly packaged, I might add. So it looks kind of like a thicker than a trash bag, but it's pretty thick. So I went ahead and cut that open, and I cut the end open because I wasn't sure. But when I kind of look, and I'm like, I have no idea what this is. Then I went back and, you know, looked at the tracking number. I don't know why I didn't do that to begin with. But it is very nicely packaged, actually, because this is some thick, thick bubble wrap. So, let me tell you a little bit about this company. Now, this is the first time I have ever received anything from this company. Honestly, I had not even heard about it until recently. So, oh, and it's also got tape wrapped around it, so that's cool. But it did not take long to get this package. I think it might have took 2-3 weeks, which is about average. But also, y'all, they have got tons of stuff on their website, because I went and I checked it out like I do for all companies. But they have got some really, really, really cute stuff. And everything that you could think of, they have got it categorized to where, you know, if you're looking for animals, they've got a category of animals. If you're looking for customs, they do customs. They have mystery kits, and you can pick what kind of mystery kit. Like if you want a mystery kit of flowers or dogs or wildlife, you know, whatever you are into, they have got a mystery kit for it. They have got let's see, I wrote a lot of this down. Alright, they have got a money back guarantee. So if you get your canvas and you don't like it, you can send it back and get your money back. I don't know really of a whole lot of sites that even do that. Okay, they also have a resource that you can go and it'll show you how to diamond paint. It will explain to you how to convert centimeters into inches. It has like a calculator. They have DMC charts. They have all kinds of stuff. And then, y'all, what the kicker is with me, now this is a poured glue, but what the kicker was with me is, y'all, every diamond painting they sell, a portion of it goes to, hold on, let me make sure I'm doing this right. Okay, they have it's called a give back program. Okay, and every sale that they get, a portion of it goes towards the purchase of kits for children with chronic or life-threatening illnesses, And the program is called Caitlin's Smile. And it is a non-profit organization that is based out of Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. So I thought that was very, very nice, y'all. So what they have sent me is a 30 by 40. And it's called, well, I'm not real sure what the name of it is, but it's 2 yellow roses, and this is poured glue, and it has, I'm not sure, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 or 35 colors. I might have missed one, but it's either got 34 or 35 colors. Well, I guess I could probably have just looked at this. Okay, so anyway, this is poured glue, and it is a round, but like I said, it's from Diamond Painting Hut. They have the name of their company up at the top. There's the 30 by 40. There is the thumbnail of what it's going to look like. They do have the schematic on the top left and on the bottom right, and it does have the DMC numbers on it. So let's look at the toolkit real quick. Just like I said, I've never ordered from this company. I've never had anything from this company, and until recently I had even never heard of this company. So I don't know if it's new or if it's just a company I've never heard of. So you get a bag of baggies, and there's quite a few in there. All right, if I can get them back in the big bag. All right, so you get 2 heart-shaped waxes. You get 2 blue single placer pens. You get a clear multi-placer, looks like maybe a 5 or 6 placer. You get a 3 placer, and looks like probably a 10 placer. They give you a squishy for your pen, and then you get the white boat that I always call a Mufasa boat. I don't know what it is about these boats, y'all. It's not, that's not how you pronounce it, but that's how, every time I see it, I just want to go Mufasa. But anyway, you get one of the MOSFET trays, and these are really good trays. Mufasa. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the drills. Let's see. Here I am, struggling again. There we go. All right. And that is Booger in the background playing with his chicken. He's got a rubber chicken that makes noise. All right, so these are the kind of drills that are the little bitty bags. I'm not crazy about these bags, but, you know, it is what it is. Okay, Booger. Really? Okay, so, but they're very pretty. The colors are very pretty. I can see from here they're very pretty. All right, so it gives you an inventory sheet, which has got the size, which is a 30 by 40. And there is, again, the picture, and it's a yellow rose, and it looks like it's setting in water, and that's the reflection in the water of it. So it has your instructions on how to do it, and it has the Crafted with Love. It has their Facebook page and their Instagram. All right, so it is 34 colors. So it has a lot of symbols are going to be in this. But it also has the, like I said, the DMC number. It shows you how many packs of the drills and how many drills it's going to take to do this canvas. I really like it when they do send the inventory sheets. So that is the drills in the inventory. Let's see, we can look at some of these. I mean, they're not bad drills at all. They're just time consuming, and that's the only issue, which I like to kit up and kit down. So, I mean, like I said, it's not a big deal for me. It's just sometimes you get these and you see how the number is not on the bag. And if they were to have cut that, you know, you might not know what color that is if it was cut through. And, you know, booger, really? He was sound asleep until I started doing my video, y'all. He is so goofy. Alright, so that is the drills. So I am going to bring y'all down some. And I know there's a glare. I apologize. Now, this canvas is very pliable. It's that, I don't want to call it thin. It's not a thin canvas, but it is like a very pliable canvas. Okay? And at the bottom, there is their website and Crafted with Love. That's their logo. So, the drill field looks very good, y'all. I mean, it really does. They have the dark on the light and the light on the dark. And when I say that, what I mean is, like, on the dark colors, they have a light symbol. And on the light colors, they have the dark symbol. But yeah, it looks very clear. Very clear. So, I want to say thank you to Diamond Painting Hut for allowing me to show my subscribers and anybody else who has come through their products, because I am very impressed with it. It's very, very pretty and very clear. I mean, just really clear. And it's not weird symbols, so, you know. And as far as the stick, very good sticky. Y'all, now he's got a 2-liter bottle. Okay. And if you can see, I don't know if you can see or not, but there is like a glittery shine to their canvas. So very pretty. Very, very pretty. Very impressed. I really and truly am. And like I said, I appreciate them allowing me to show y'all their product. So, what do y'all think? Have y'all ever heard of Diamond Painting Hut? And like I said, I mean, it's even, I mean, with them having the give back program, I just, that is awesome in itself. And then having them, hold on just a second. Sorry, y'all. I had to take his toy away from him. This is what he plays with. This is like his very favorite toy. And all it is, it was a water bottle. And he busted the water bottle. So now I've got him a mellow yellow bottle in there. And he likes taking and shaking this until the Velcro comes open. And he gets the bottle out and goes to town. So, and now he's standing here jumping up on my leg wanting it back. So, sorry about the interruption, y'all. So, as I was saying, I just think this is a marvelous company. I mean, like I said, to have a money-back guarantee and a pay-it or a give-it-back program for children with illnesses, that's awesome. I mean, that is just awesome. So, all right, y'all. I will put the link to the company, and I'll go back on their website and see if I can find this painting, because like I said, I had no idea what they were sending me until I opened it. So if I can find this image, I will put it in the description box. So all right, y'all, well, until my next video, I guess I will see everybody later. Bye, y'all.